If you're experiencing lag spikes in Minecraft, calibrating your settings can help improve performance. Follow these steps to quickly address the issue. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for running Minecraft. If your hardware is below the recommended specifications, consider upgrading your components. Step 2. Adjust video settings. Open Minecraft and navigate to the video settings. Lower the render distance, turn off fancy graphics, and reduce the particles to decrease the load on your system. Step 3. Allocate more RAM. In the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select your profile, and click on More options. Increase the amount of RAM allocated to Minecraft by adjusting the JVM arguments, ensuring you leave enough for your operating system. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Minecraft, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up system resources and help reduce lag during gameplay. Step 5. Update drivers and Java. Make sure your graphics drivers and Java version are up to date. Visit the official websites for your graphics card and Java to download the latest versions, as updates can improve performance and stability. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in your Minecraft experience. Enjoy your gameplay with reduced lag.